हम जाते हैं ऐसे कई यहाँ दोस्त हैं जो आज के रात आपको वोट करेंगे, तो उनके लिए आपका संदेश।
Ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum and namaste, and a very late good evening to you all. I know you're eager to get into your break, but as part of the formalities, please allow me to say a few words. To Nilesh and Najib, thank you very much for having me here once again this year. I have been with this since season 1, and I feel very much part of this program. One of the reasons that I accept the invitation to be part of this program is music is very important to me. The role in which I am and the role in which I was before joining politics is very, very demanding and very stressful. So I use music as a medium to get over the stresses of my daily life. And I'm sure to the audience who are present here this evening, you also hold music very dear to your heart, and that is an indication why you have come to support our young budding talents of the country. So I'd like to say a big thank you to all the sponsors. Without your support, and if any event of this magnitude is not possible. To Nilesh and your hard-working team, thank you for bringing this evening to us, music lovers. And to the judges again, you're also very important. Like I said, I've been with this event for the last 3 years, and this is my 4th year. And I'm very proud to say that this event has grown. It has grown in magnitude. The confidence that I have seen in this season's tonight's contestant is a testimony of the effort that the team puts in to this program. To the contestants, like I said, you're very confident. You are budding talents of the country. And of course, you can become brand ambassadors for the music. Music comes from the heart, and the passion that we have seen is actually, you have sung with your heart. Of course, the audience has been very quiet, unlike the audiences of the past. So please enjoy the second round and show your applauses that will boost the confidence of our young musicians here this evening. To the families and the supporters of the contestants, it's very important that that support is there. I mean, these are our young talents that need all the support. Of course, support from the corporate bodies is also very important. We have some sponsors here, so thank you very much. I'd like to urge other corporate bodies to come on board and support this very important initiative for the country. As a government, we are always trying to see the best ways in which we can promote hidden talents among our youth. But tonight I'd like to leave you one message. Young people, we always say, are the future of the country. What are we doing for the future of this country? And one of the ways that we can make them budding leaders is to give them the confidence that we need in our young people to lead our country. Or before I forget, Albert went away somewhere. Albert, if you listen to me, you and your band are doing a very great job. Thank you very much for that. And see, I even know Albert's name because I've been seeing him for the past seasons. But ladies and gentlemen, as the Minister responsible for health, it's very important that I bring to you some very important issues that are currently plaguing our country. I'm sure you all are aware of NCDs. I continue to champion for NCDs because NCDs are killing our people. And they're killing our people at a very, very young and a productive age. So please do take your health seriously. If you want to live a long life, it's very important that you have a healthy life. Simple things like like exercising regularly, eating the right type of food, and having the right attitude towards your health will go a very, very long way. To the contestants, I had a shairi done for you. My Hindi is not very good, but one of my friends wrote something for me. Let me see if I can remember that. So it says, गाओ आज तुम ऐसे कि तुझे सुनने के बाद किसी और को सुनने की चाहत ना हो। गाओ आज तुम ऐसे कि तुझे सुनने के बाद किसी और को सुनने की चाहत ना हो तेरे सुरों में इतना दम कि यहाँ सभी के दिलों में मोहब्बत जाग जाए। This was for the contestants. This is for the audience. और सुनने वालों, अपने दिल को थाम कर बैठो, कहीं आपका दिल डगमगा न जाए किसी और के मोहब्बत में। शुक्रिया।
मैम जी ऐसे नहीं जाने देंगे हम आपको। ये जो स्टेज है, ये स्टेज का एक बहुत बड़ा रूल है। या जो भी आते हैं गा कर जाते हैं। I know you are not a good singer, but
I'm a bad singer. I'm a bad bathroom singer.
but फिर भी कोई ऐसा गीत होगा जो शायद आप गुनगुनाना चाहेंगे थोड़ा सा हमारे लिए मैम।
No, I have a favorite contestant here.
Okay.
Dirish.
Okay.
Dirish, if you can sing for me, I'll stand with you. Please, you can be my voice. I'll hold your hand.
अजीब दास्तां है कहाँ शुरू कहाँ खत्म ये मंजिल है कोई सी ना वो समझ सके अजीब दास्तां है कहाँ शुरू कहाँ खत्म ये मंजिल है कोई सी ना वो समझ सके ना
गुरु जी हम लोग मिलकर मैडम के लिए एक गीत गाएंगे। ठीक है, आपको सिर्फ इतना करना है मैडम के साथ। मैडम विल ऑल्सो टेक हा से नेम, सिर्फ आपको अपना से नेम रिदम में लेना है जी इस गीत में। लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, आई विल सिंग वन सॉन्ग फॉर मैम। मैम विल हैव टू टेक द माइक एंड ऑल शी हैज टू से इज हर से नेम इन रिदम। होनी को अनहोनी कर दे, अनहोनी को होनी, होनी को अनहोनी कर दे, अनहोनी को होनी। एक जगह जब जमा हो तीनों आमर
Akbar.
एंथनी। क्या बात, क्या बात, क्या बात। थैंक यू सो मच लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, थैंक यू सो मच।